Ayodhya, riots, slaughterhouse ban and Taj Mahal. 8 political parties react to India's most talked about interview. Yogi defends anti-Romeo squads, says riots could have been avoided had they been implemented during Muzaffarnagar clashes.
मैंने क्या कहा, इसके लिए अप्रूवल की आवश्यकता ही नहीं है। अगर कारसेवकपुरम में पत्थर आ रहा है, मुझे लगता है कि इसके लिए किसी प्रकार की अप्रूवल की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
Yogi defends meeting Babri accused during their hearing in Lucknow, says he can't and won't stop stones from being brought into Ayodhya.
देश के अंदर जो सो कॉल्ड सेकुलरिस्ट थे, उन्होंने इस कार्य को किया था, इस प्रकार की स्थिति पैदा की थी। भारत की वास्तविक उस पहचान को छुपाने का प्रयास किया था जो भारत को भारत बनाए रखता।
Yogi unleashes unsparing attack on fake secularists, argues that Taj Mahal is not the only true symbol of Indian culture.
महिला दहशतगर्दों ने फौज के प्राइवेट पार्ट्स को काट कर साथ ले गए। उन्हें हाथ से शिकायत नहीं थी, सर से नहीं थी, पैर से नहीं थी।
Mulayam's man joins the gang of army abusers. Azam Khan drags in religion and insults forces in series of shocking statements.
आजम खान जैसे लोग आतंकवादियों के बचाव में सड़क पर उतर आए हैं, आतंकवादियों के बचाव में वक्तव्य दे रहे हैं।
He resorts to lowest forms of lies and abuse, justifies mutilation of our forces and insinuates filth against our jawans. Army Chief General Bipin Rawat will start his 2-day Northeast visit from Sikkim on Thursday. The Army Chief will take stock of the situation that has become tense after Chinese army destroyed 2 Indian bunkers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi during his visit to Israel next week is expected to meet Moshe, survivor of 2008 terror attack. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Israel from July 4th to 6th at the invitation of his Israeli counterpart Benjamin Netanyahu. This will be the first ever visit of an Indian Prime Minister to Israel. One more farmer in volatile region of Mandsaur district of Madhya Pradesh committed suicide, taking the number of deaths in the state in the past 18 days to 36. The farmer suicide is increasing by the day in the state following Mandsaur farmers' agitation. The NDA government, led by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, has announced handsome increase in allowances by allowing recommendations of the 7th Pay Commission on allowances with 34 modifications. Revised rates on enhanced allowance will be effective from July 1st, 2017. 4 more accused have been arrested in the Bhalabgarh lynching case, in which 16-year-old Hafiz Junaid was lynched and 3 others injured. The police added that there was solid evidence against the main culprit who had been found and will be nabbed soon. Ruckus was created inside the Delhi Assembly by 2 men claiming to be Aam Aadmi Party workers. The 2 men levelling allegations against Delhi Health Minister Satyendra Jain created an uproar in the State Assembly.